welcome back to my channel, Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, and my 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything I buy that my husband doesn't know about. So today we're going to do the Glam bag, the regular one. It's $13. I do have some add-ons in here, so I'm super excited. I'll probably go through those ones first. Now, I am at my last video. It's getting pretty late now. I mean, I've had, I think, 3 videos to shoot today. So, bear with me a little bit. Alright. So, first add-on, we're going to do add-ons first, is a Natasha Denona foundation. Full coverage, 30 mils, 1.01 fluid ounces, and I really hope that I got the shade right, which I might not have. I mean, maybe. Oh, it looks actually really dark. Am I missing something? Is it supposed to have a brush or something on it, or is it just like a stick? Really watery. I kind of want to. I mean, I don't have a mirror here, but in what I can see in the reflection from the camera, it's not looking too bad. So I'm excited to try this one. I always like a good foundation that is especially full coverage. I mean, if you've watched any of my other videos, like you've probably heard me say that I do have rosacea since I gave birth to my daughter. So I mean, it's been a almost 3-year battle with that, and I've had lots of laser surgery and everything else on my face to try and get rid of that. But I mean, it's not always possible because $300 plus tax per pop, and they want you to go every 2 weeks, which is quite pricey. So anything that gives me full coverage, love it. So that's my first thing. Next thing, I didn't choose this, but I mean, it's a refreshment, so they probably chose it for me. So it's cleansing face spray. It has 30 in there. So, I mean, let's see. It's vegan, cruelty-free, clinically and allergy and dermatologist tested, which is bonus for me because I am very sensitive to a lot of things on my skin, like laundry detergents, soaps, that kind of stuff. So, I mean, anything that has been tested, perfect. So I can't wait to try some of those. Next is a lash growth serum. So if you have watched some of my other videos, you'll also have heard me say about how I usually get eyelash extensions, and I'm boycotting right now because the last time I got them, they lasted me 2 days, and I took most of my normal eyelashes with them when they came off. It's just crazy. So, I mean, you can probably see I have a little bit going on right now, but not nearly what I had before, and they tend to be short and stubby now because they're growing back. So, I got the growth serum. So you put this on your eyelashes and hope to God it works so that I can get my eyelashes back. So it's got like a, quite liquidy. So it's got like a tiny, tiny little brush on there. I don't even know if you can see it because it's so small. It's been something dark. You can see it. But yeah. So that one I'm super excited for because I don't like my eyelashes right now. I never had great eyelashes anyways. I think most people that have great eyelashes are men that don't appreciate them. So this is 3 mils and 0.1 fluid ounces. It's not a lot, but I mean, it's just going on your eyelashes, so it's not going to take a lot. So this will last for quite a while. Next thing is the cab oil. It's a lip oil. Let's see, I did get another one. I don't have it. I thought I had it right here, but I don't. So they're not super tinted. They look super tinted, but they're not. Let's see if I can open it and kind of show you. I just think it's false advertising. It's like, oh, it's such a nice color. I'm going to get it because it's tinted. And then none of the tinted color shows up. So that's a little bit disappointing. But tis what it is. So there's that. And as you can see, it is definitely not the same color. So I'm going to be excited about trying that too. So now we're going to get into actually our IPSY bag instead of just the add-ons. So once I wrestle with this bag and get it open, I'm just going to dump stuff in. Now, first we're going to go, it's got this outside of the bag, so I'll just do this one first. This is a choice item that I chose. It is a brush because I love brushes. So, I mean, today alone, I think I've got like 7 brushes in all my boxes that I received today. So this one's cute. It's got little hearts on it. It's got a couple little gems on it. Can't remember the brand though, and it's not stamped on here. Oh, wait, it is. Miss Glam. SL Miss Glam angled blush brush. So that one's kind of cute. I mean, I don't tend to use blush brushes for actually blush because I use the liquid blush from P. Louise, and it's got like a little adapter and you just stamp it on and it kind of gives you a little thing to rub it in. So, but I usually use this for highlighter or anything that I might want. Mostly highlighter. Next, we're going to go into this. So this is the bag. So it's got the pink kind of like tie-dye kind of retro kind of look. It's kind of like a faux leather kind of feel. Self-love is the best love, it says on the back. And it's got the gold little IPSY tag on it with the zipper also in gold. And then inside we're going to, oh, we do have a card today. And I'm just going to empty out the rest. So we do have Marc Anthony's Grow Long Super Fast Strength Leave-In Conditioner. And I mean, this is not a full-size product, as most things in the IPSY Glam Bag are not. They tend to be more travel size or what they call the sample size, but this one looks like more like a deluxe because, I mean, it is small, but it's not as small as some. So it's 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 milliliters, which is a decent size compared to some of the little ones I've gotten in the past. Like, this is the next product. So, like, see the size difference? So this one is a sample size, and it's the Clinique Dramatic Different Motion Lotion, Moisturizing Lotion Plus. I mean, I just got a big one of this from, I don't even remember what box. It was only like 2 months ago. And it was like a huge one compared to this. So this one is our second item. This one is, what does it say? 0.5 fluid ounces or 15 milliliters. So 15 versus 50. There's quite a bit difference there. Next, we have a mini highlighter by Mega Yacht Formula Z. So I'm gonna need my knife to pry this bad boy open. Oh, there we go. So this is what it's gonna look like. I mean, it looks like a typical highlighter. And it is 2 grams or 0.07 ounces. So it is fairly small. It doesn't look like it's a deep one either. So that one is our, I guess, our fourth item now, since we're concluding. Guys, the last item we have is the Appeal Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. Now, I did have some technical difficulties, so I did put it on. And I mean, it goes on pretty nice, smooth, but it does emphasize all the little cracks or anything else, imperfections you have in your lips, which I don't generally like. And also, I don't generally like pink. I don't think it does anything for me. So, you be the judge. It is a nice shade, but for other people, it's just not generally for me. So, this one is 0.7 fluid ounces. So this one is a full-size product. Now you get usually 1 or 2 full-size products per IPSY Glam bag, which the brush would be a full size, and then this would be a full size. Everything else is travel sample or deluxe sample size. So that's it for this bag. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get any upcoming videos, and you guys can check out our older ones. We are putting up new videos every couple days, and we have lots coming, so stay tuned and comment how you're liking the content, and if you'd like to see me open a different mystery box, send me a link or let me know what you'd like to watch me open. All right, have a good night, guys. Bye.